Everybody, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. This chair is called the Jimmie, and it's made by Shoprider. This is a compact power wheelchair that disassembles effortlessly into 3 lightweight pieces. The heaviest piece, once you disassemble, is just over 35 pounds. It can support 250 pounds of weight, and you get a battery range that's up to 8 miles on a single charge. It also comes with solid tires. The front wheels are 6 inches and the rear wheels are 9 inches. This chair is also approved for airline travel. So in this video, just want to show you a little bit more about the Jimmie. Let's get into it. All right, so we'll start with the foot plate and show you. Let me get on the other side so my shadow is not in the way. Foot plate is adjustable, so you can adjust the length. You pull out this pin. You got some different notches so you can adjust it to. So if you're taller, let me actually set it to the furthest positioning out. So when I sit in it, it'll be at the position that's best for someone that's tall. You can also adjust the height. You can see there's another pin here. So I can adjust it up and down 3 notches or out or in 3 notches. So it is adjustable. It also flips up. Now with the seat, this is more of like a really nice deluxe stadium style seat. I wouldn't call it a captain's. It does come up kind of high. There's no headrest on it. But if we get some quick measurements, the width is almost 19 inches. The depth, we're looking at about 17. Seat to the top of the seat back is about 18 inches. And then ground to the top of the seat, it is about 20.5 inches. It's a very compact chair, and the total length of the chair is 33.5 inches, and the total width, the widest part is going to be the rear wheels. That's listed at 22.8 inches. So very compact chair. Now on the back, I'll show you there is an accessory hitch. So you can add things to the back like a rear basket, oxygen tank holder, cane holder, crutch holder. Just go to our product page to see what's available. So you see, so this will remove the seat belt. It doesn't really do any adjusting. Now these knobs down here on each side will adjust the width of the armrest. On top of that, you have knobs here and here. This will adjust the height of the armrest. So you have different notches you can adjust it to. Let me actually put it up to the tallest position on both sides. There we go. Now I got it. Now I got a little pouch here in the back. That's all the storage you're going to get. So if you need storage, I suggest getting the rear basket on the back. You also have anti-tip wheels here in the back to prevent you from tipping over if you were to go up a steep incline. This is your freewheel lever, because there's 2 motors. So I've got this one in freewheel on this side. This one is still in the locked position. So if I want to put completely in freewheel position, I have to push both of these, this one down and this one down. And now you can push it manually. So you can use this as a walker. If you want to stand up, kind of walk around, stretch your legs a little bit, but just keep in mind, you can't operate it when it's in freewheel. So if I try to use the joystick, it's not going to work. So you have to push both of these back up into the drive position. Then you have to power it off and then power it back on. Now you can use the chair. Now let's show you how to disassemble, which is the thing that I think a lot of people want to see. And then before I do that, let me sit in this and show you what I look like. Now keep in mind, this is very compact. You can slightly recline the back, or you can fold it down. There's a lever right here on the right side. So let me sit in this, give you a little side profile. I can already tell you I'm going to be too big for this, but this is with the foot plate all the way out, the armrest at the highest position, and the seat reclined back. So this is what I look like at 6'4". You might want to be shorter than me for something like this, but it is portable, easy to transport. All right, one thing I want to point out, we got another person in the chair. I'm 6'4", you saw what I look like. She is about 5'9". So at her height, she's gonna look like it's better suited for her. I think it fits her much better. You see the bend in her knee. It's a nice 90-degree angle bend. And let me show you the joystick real quick. Actually, it's really simple joystick. You've got your battery gauge. Here's your power button. Got a horn. This is your speed control. Top speed control. Your top speed is around 4 miles per hour. If I flip up the joystick, back it up here and show you. It's where you charge the battery directly on the joystick. Now, if you are left-handed, you have to let us know prior to ordering so we can get this bracket mounted on this side. So to disassemble, so one thing you need to do is disconnect right here, this power supply. So you just simply pull it right out. This will allow you to take the seat off. So if I fold the seat back down using this lever, fold this down, loosen this so I can take off the seat. Now it pops right off. Next, there's a little yellow lever here. I'm gonna loosen this. This will allow me to separate the rear wheel assembly from the rest of the chair, or the front half portion. I think this is the heaviest piece, which is 35.8 pounds. No, this would be the heaviest piece. So you got your 3 pieces separated. This is how you would transport. I'll put it back together for you so you can see how easy it is to do. So we're lining up these bars. Just set them right in here, these 2 little notches. And you push it, you hear it click into place. I'm going to put the seat peg into the seat post, just like that. Lift up the seat back. Now I want to lock this into place, so make sure you don't lose this. And then lastly, we just want to plug this power supply in right here. Just like that, and it should power on. Yep. So that's how you disassemble, reassemble the Jimmie. Nice compact power wheelchair made by Shoprider. Have a lot of longevity in the industry, been around almost 40 years. Comes with a Shoprider's full manufacturer's warranty, and we also throw in a 1-year in-home service contract if you purchase any Shoprider product. So if anything goes wrong in the first year of owning this, we'll try to troubleshoot it over the phone with you, but if we can't resolve it, we will send a technician to your home to fix that issue for the first year. If you have any questions about this chair, call us at the number below, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. Guys, have a nice day.